Do you want a cheap and easy way to keep what you do on the internet anonymous and secure? Try ProXPN. For $6.25 a month, you can safely surf the web anywhere in the world. Do you travel a lot? With ProXPN, you can even get on websites such as YouTube and Netflix that are blocked in some countries. Devices currently supported with premium membership are Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. ProXPN, keeping you anonymous since 2009. Try today. Link in the description below.
Hey there, I'm Ross from Job and Ross's History and Reviews. Today we are looking at the matte gray/silver DualShock 4 PS4 controller. Got this on Black Friday for $39. Usually at Walmart they're $45 to $54, and at other stores they're $60. What the F? That's an inside joke. But anyway, $39. PS4 even has the light stream, which all PS4 controllers now have, is the light stream. I don't know why people made a big deal about that. I think it's kind of cool, though. It's better than not having a light stream, but at the same time, you know, it's whatever. Revolutionary, intuitive, precise. The Sony PS4 controller is made for the PlayStation 4 console. It defines the next generation of play, combining revolutionary features with intuitive precision controls. That is absolutely true. Share button makes social interactions easy with instant gameplay, video, and screen uploads, which is awesome. I love that about the PS4. It's so easy to record video gameplay. You don't need a capture card anymore. I love the share button. You can take screenshots with it. It is a little bit laggy, but that's okay because it's a game console media device center. Multi-touch, clickable touchpad opens up new gameplay possibilities. PlayStation Now, hundreds of games online, anytime. That was a great rhyme. That rhymed too. Integrated light bar combines with the PlayStation camera to precisely track the player's position and movements in supported games. Okay, that's cool. So they added it for the PlayStation camera, which a lot of people don't use. Thing is that this also helps you with, they had an update where it lets you, like, move the controller to type, and it goes based on the light, which I think is pretty cool. Great thing about the PS4 controller is that you can plug in any headset that works as a microphone, and it works. You'll either get good quality or get terrible quality. You can get the Beats quality. You can get the Samsung Galaxy headset quality, which is okay, but not perfect. Get the OYU quality, which is a $5 headset at Five Below. Go check it out. It's great. Did a review on it. It's an amazing mic. Everyone loved it. They noticed the difference over the Samsung Galaxy headset that I was using. You can use a Microsoft headset if you want to, you know, be edgy. Or you can use the official Sony brand headset as well. This color, I was looking for the gold. I didn't get it. So I have a black one of this and a silver one of this. And my cousin Job has a red and I believe a camo. Or he said he used to have a camo. And he has the black and he has another color as well. I'm trying to get him to bring all of his controllers up of the different colors, and then mine, and we make like a huge, you know, cool looking video with different color PS4 controllers. These can be used on Macs. They work with any Mac that has a Bluetooth. You can play Mac games with it that are compatible. You can use OpenMU on it. Sorry, trying to avoid cover. Anyway, you know what I'm doing. And you can play other game consoles with it on the Mac. I've never done it because it's illegal. I've never done it because it's illegal. I've never done it. But it has built-in battery pack if you've never played PS4. You can charge it via an Android USB Mini, which is the old standard of Android. Now they're trying to move to USB-C. When those run out, you're kind of screwed with this because then you're going to have to buy an old cable. Let's open it up. I've been keeping you waiting long enough. Oh, this one doesn't have... Someone removed the tape on Black Friday. I hate opening up stuff like this. I just love the look of it. It's Sony. It's brilliant. It just looks professional and beautiful. I hate opening stuff up. I absolutely hate it because sometimes the packaging looks really cool. If the packaging looks like crap, like Marvel toys and Star Wars toys, I have no problem opening it up. But when it's stuff that looks this great, I mean, I'm one of those people that notices how they package things. A lot of people aren't like that. They're just like, they open the box and they throw the box away. They don't appreciate the design. They're like, oh, you know, PlayStation 4 controller, awesome, grabbing it, let's get it out. I appreciate the look, and I know that opening stuff up, just, you don't get the same feeling out of it. But yeah, this reminds me of the PlayStation 1 controller, just slightly different. Did they use a new plastic on this? This feels different than the black one. Oh my god, look at that luster. Look at that luster. Oh my god. Even the back looks cool. PlayStation 1. That's the PlayStation 1 color. Oh my god. And then when you turn the front, it gets the shiny silver. That is absolutely phenomenal. You got all your buttons, they're all tight like a virgin, and you got your Android charger, your touchpad looks pristine. It's not going to look that clean forever because you start touching it and then it wipes onto it, like right now. Now it's dirt. I got to get over that because I'm so paranoid. Yeah, you can connect it to a Mac and play games like that. You can use it as connect it to an Android device that has Bluetooth. I used it on the Samsung Galaxy S5. The ZTE Z Max Pro, my cell phone, and my Samsung Galaxy Tab Active to play games on, and it works fine with compatible games and other stuff that people that like me, law-abiding people, would never use, never play. Works fine with them. $39. Walmart Black Friday, probably way over. Cyber Monday right now, according to a lot of places, they're starting a day early, just like they do Black Friday. Built-in speaker, if you've never used it, and also if you're a first-time PS4 user as well, when you play certain games like GTA 5 and the police come after you, this shines red, white, and blue like the American flag because it's supposed to be the cops. Woo, 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 signal lights. And, God. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I gotta go take care of a few things with this thing.